Similar. So what I was doing was, the first half was, and then the second half I'm kind of like branching out.
Yeah.
And then second time I played the same similar,
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And then the third time around I played that up an octave. And then played around that.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, just a regular standard lick could be just that if you play once, but you kind of milk that over and over to kind of respect the first half of that lick,
Yeah.
and then build that off.
Yeah.
And then playing up an octave, being able to play the different positions,
Yeah.
that also helps too.
Yeah.
You know, stuff like that. Really, just listen to yourself and be like, even if it's like a meh lick or whatever line, if you play it more and more, it'll turn into a thing. All right.
Yeah.
So give it, try it.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Go ahead.